So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Red, and in today's video we are going to learn about, of course, how to align in AutoCAD. So in today's it is a bonus video. So I am going to teach you how to align in AutoCAD plus how to scale any object using the align command. So let's just learn about first how to align in AutoCAD. So let's say you have two rectangles, or just say you have two objects and you want to align or the two objects together. So let's say this bigger length and this bigger length you want to align together. So for that the simple command is al align, which is al is the shortcut. The command's name is align. Just press enter. Then you have to select the object. Let's say I want to align this object perpendicular to this object. Okay, so just this, specify the source point. This is going to be the source point and this is going to be the second point, and just press enter and your object will be rightly aligned with the object you wanted. Let's take a second case of, let's say you want to align the both the longer edges together. Same, do al align, select the object, press enter, specify the first point to the bottom of the point and the second point of the line to the top of the point, and again press enter. Do you want to scale the object based on alignments? No, the both of the objects are same. If you want to change the scale of the object, we that which we are going to learn ahead in the video. If you want to do that, just press yes. If you don't want to do that and you know that you just want to align and not scale, just press no. As you can see right over here, the objects have rightly be aligned. So let's say you have this object. As I told you, this is going to be a bonus video. Let's say I'll just scale this down. Let's say you have a object scaled down like this, and now you want to match the scale of this object and this object. So let's say I want to scale the bigger object same as the smaller object. So you can also, rather than doing all the scale and the factors and all that thing together, if you have this simple objects, then you just have to do is al enter, just select the object, then select both the points again which we did earlier, and just press enter. And now in this option, when AutoCAD asks you that you do you want to scale the object based on the alignment point, here you have to press yes. So as you can see, we scaled the object with the align command. So it is very simple. The shortcut is a l enter, a for apple, l for lion, a l enter, and the command's full name is align. So hope you liked the video. If you found the video interesting and helpful, then share it with someone who may need it.